Hey y'all, it's Christina. Alright, so I literally just got this in the mail not even 3 minutes ago. So I thought maybe I'd go ahead and make this video now. I got both of these from Tryit. I think I know which one they are. I'm expecting a couple of more from Tryit. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Alright, let's see here. Keep my address from being seen. Let's see. I've already gotten my email reminder saying, hey, your review is due. I'm like, okay. Be right back. Alright, I'm back. Alright, so this first one is the Airwick. Hold on. Is the Airwick Pure Freshmatic thing. I only got the spray. They said I needed to have it. Oh no, wait, not the Aromatic. Surprise! I thought it was going to be the Aromatic one, which is supposed to be putting this. I thought it was going to be this, which is like something like this, but it turns out it is not. And I'm waiting on the Freshmatic. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and move that out of the way. I have been waiting on this one for a while. This is the Herbal Tea Tivana Lemon Ginger Bliss with notes of citrus and strawberry. Which I have like Keurig machine. I can use this. I will be right back. Alright, so I'm back. I got a hot cup of water here to use this with. Alright, so I'm supposed to like put this in the water and let it steep for 5 minutes. Alright. As you can see, it's not opened. Ooh, that smells good. Alright, so the first one I'm going to pick up is this one. Okay, put that there. Okay. Place this over here. God, I should have gotten those things. Oh yeah, I'm definitely going to need them. We're going to place them. Be right back. Alright, so I'm back. Alright, let's see. I had to grab these little tea bag things, which I got from Very Dice, which I'll link my invite link down there in the description below. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and put this in this little tea bag. Ooh, but gotta be careful. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put this in here, which I realize now that it's too close to the screen. So now I'm gonna try to let it get all good and stuff. Alright. Put that like that. And wrap it around. Alright, so set this to the side. Alright. So the next item is going to be... Sorry, I'm switching out stuff now on my other item I'm going to show y'all. No copyright infringement intended. I don't want to have that come up. Alright. Let's see here. Pop that there. Reason why I say that is because of an item that I just also got in mail along with both of all of what I'm showing you today for this next time. I'm going to go and just put this here. Ow. I just bit myself. Alrighty. Put that there. Alrighty. This is one. Ew. Alright. This is supposed to be like this. Alright, so I got that going. Alright, so this next item is going to be, I'm assuming batteries, based on the way it feels. Alright, so. And I would be correct, they are batteries. Which, ironically, I just got a PlayStation 2 remote as well, which I got from Amazon. Let's see here. Ironically, they do need AA batteries. Alright, so they need 2 AA's, which, as you can see here, the remotes I got, it has been used, and I got my brother one as well, and he's hyped about it. Oh, no, wait. AAA. Be right back. Alright, so I did a flub up. My fault. Alright, so instead of using them in the remote like I wanted to do, I'm going to use them in this. Which I could put this like this. Like this. Be right back. Alright, I'm back. My mom just got back from the store. Alright, so I got the batteries in. As you can see, I'm using the one that I already had in here. The fresh mag thing I already had in here. Alright, so let's see here. Because this takes AA. Okay. Takes a minute to do its thing. And there you go. Alright, so there's that one. Alright. Go ahead and turn that off for now. And that was my mom running to the bathroom. That's going to be another video. I'm going to do another video about that. Something about her. Alright, so, let's see here. Alright. Be right back. Alright, I'm back. Alright, so it's like, I guess this has been about 5 minutes for this. Basically, I had to put like this little thing like this and wrap the string around right in here. Let's see. So I don't know how long it's been. I know it's been about 5 minutes. So be right back. Alright, I'm back. My mom needed help. So it's definitely been 5 minutes now. Alright, so. It's actually good, in my opinion. Let's see, lemon ginger bliss. That's good, actually. Alright, so let's see here. I got AA batteries and Tivana for this unboxing. I'm still waiting on the, God, what was it? I'm waiting on the, spray from this still. I don't know when it will come. It's being on hold for, I guess, because of the virus. Alright, so I think that's going to be about it for now. I will probably talk about my mom at a later time. So, yeah. I think when I get, I think I'm going to probably use the other 2 batteries and the remote when I need it, or I might see what my mom, see if my mom needs it. So, yeah. I guess that's going to be about it for this video. Bye, y'all.